This session is a part of Set for Life, and what it really means. If we have healthy practices, we set ourselves up for a healthy life. Mobility, flexibility, all abilities. We want all abilities. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so we're gonna get it started with some breathing. After a long day, and especially a long hot day, it is important to let our bodies and our minds relax and cool down in the place that we find ourselves at this particular part in time of the day. So we're going to get started with some deep breaths. Now, this particular deep breath is going to help us take the tension out of our body, the stiffness out of our shoulders, the tightness out of our legs by breathing in through the nose, and then we're going to breathe out of the nose. When we breathe in and out of the nose, it's going to just give our body that signal that it's time to relax. It's time to calm down. It's time to just turn it off. It's like when Jeopardy come on or Wheel of Fortune, and you just know it's time to relax for that day. So we're going to relax and breathe deep. I'm going to breathe in through my nose, all the way down into my belly, all the way down into my lower back. So we're going to fill up the whole upper body with oxygen. Go ahead, relax your shoulders and relax your face. Good. You have the support of the chair, so lean back into it. I want you to just pick up your toes. If you can see my feet, I'm just picking up my toes off the ground, and then I'm just going to pick up my heels off the ground, getting the foot flat and solid on the ground. And then I'm going to sit up nice and tall and proper like. And then we are going to take 7 of the deepest breaths we have taken all day, in through the nose and out of the nose, with the belly expanding on the inhale, meaning your belly pooching out. And then as you exhale, the belly comes in like you're sucking it in, but you're actually pushing out all the toxins and the stress of the day. On the count of 3, we start. Go ahead and relax those hands. Let them fall in the lap. Good. Start to relax the muscles in your face. Soften. Just find softness. On the count of 3, we start. 1, 2, 3. Let's take a deep inhale. Breathe in through the nose. Fill up the lungs. And then through the nose, we exhale. A nice, slow, controlled breath. It may be a little bit different, but we riding with it today. Take a deep inhale here. Breathe in. And through the nose, we exhale. Making us present and focused. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, letting it out. Feel the shoulders fall. Breathe in for 4. Exhale, you start to feel the calm. Inhale for 5. And let it go, nice and slow, controlled breath. No panic, no fighting, no frustration, just easy. Last one, deepest inhale. I want you to breathe all the way into your belly. Get as much air as you can in. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Hold it. And then gently let it go. Good. Relax your jaw. Relax your face. Let's take one more deep breath in here. Inhale through the nose. Breathe in. And this time, I want you to exhale through the mouth. Everybody just say, ah. There it is. I like that. Somebody needed that. Good. Let's inhale one more time. Breathe in. And exhale. There we go. Hopefully everybody brushed their teeth. And now we're going to continue in our relaxation. We're going to take these shoulders. I'm going to bring my hands to my shoulders just like this if I can. If that's too much, you can just keep the hands relaxed. But I'm going to take my elbows and start to stir the pot, rolling those shoulders back and around. Good. Good job in the back and the orange. We're going to roll these shoulders back and down, making big circles. I want you to listen. This whole time, we're going to be nosy. We're listening into what's happening in our body. Where is tightness in our shoulders? Where is tension? Where are things popping? Where are things tight? Where are things feeling a little bit painful? Listen to your body. And if your body says there's pain there, I want you to stop. We're going to take this 3 more. And as I roll back, my chest opens up. As I roll forward, my back opens up. Let's take 2 more. Exaggerate like you got, wings. Good. Not Popeye's wings, but wings of a big old bird. Good. Last one. And then extra spicy. I mean, extra relax the shoulders down just like this. Shake it out. Good, good, good. So now we're going to take another breath as our shoulders have loosened up a little bit. This time I'm going to take my right hand and put it over my chest and my left hand put it over my belly. This instantly activates our sympathetic nervous system. That's the part of our body that helps us to relax and calm down. After a long day of dealing with people's problems and traffic and heat and everything, you just need something to calm you down so you can get focused, so you can get reconnected. So we're going to take 3 deep breaths here. Inhale, breathe into that left hand. And exhale, release. Giving the body some calm and release. Inhale. And exhale. Good. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Awesome. Good job. I hope y'all got the air conditioning on because we are warming up. I'm going to bring my hands to my shoulders once again. This time the shoulders roll backwards. Excuse me. And then the shoulders are going to go forward. So we're going to rock it back and forth. Good. And just notice if there's anything in there, in your elbows, in your shoulders, in your arms. What's feeling all right? What's feeling tight? Notice and then let it go. You're going to do a couple more here. Breathing as we move. Good. Nice. And then slowly bring those arms forward. Drop it down. My palms are going to lay flat on my legs. Just like this. Breathing in. And exhale, breathe out. Good. Let's bring those hands up and together. I'm going to bring my hands together like this, and we're just going to roll those wrists out. Good. Roll those wrists. I know y'all been spending all day writing big checks, cashing big money. Good. So we want to make sure y'all wrists and fingers are nice and supple so you can keep with those checks and those big bills. Good. Going the other way. Nice. And then taking the hands here, I'm going to take this right hand over to the left fingers and gently pull them back. So this is from the ligaments and tendons right here in the arm. I feel that stretch. If you have a job where you type or you send emails all day long or clicking on a mouse or even reading through a book or whatever, you want to stretch out these hands. Good. This is also building that strength in the shoulder. I want you to extend that left hand out a little bit more. Ooh, building that strength in the shoulder. We only here for 5, 4, 3, 2. Drop it down. Now we're going to push the back of the hand down gently. Good. I feel the stretch in the top of my wrist, the forearms. Things are getting a little bit clearer in my arms. Breathing in and breathing out. My left arm is starting to get a little bit heavy. Good. Bring it up a little bit more. Nice. With that same left hand, I'm going to release my right hand and bring it up into the sky. Reach up, stretch up to your level. If you feel any pain in your shoulder, relax. Good. Open and close the hands. Good. Spread those fingers nice and wide. Roll around. Good. I can hear the wrist popping all the way through the internet. All the fingers clicking and clacking. Good. Inhale, send that left hand up as high as you can get it. Reach up, stretch up. Good. And see if you can bring this left hand over to your left ear right here, just to feel that little micro stretch right there. Good. Feel that stretch all along through your left side. And we're going to just bounce for 3. Nice little gentle bounce slowly. Good. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And 2. Ooh, warming up the body. And 1. Good.